Time to replace the battery on the Silverado. After years of boosting crappy Fords and just how cold our winters get, it's dead. Got a nice new battery. Okay, so the first bolts need to take off for the this stupid bar. 13 mil socket, and there's 3 of them. Got this out of the way. Now I'll need a 10 mil socket to unhook the battery. Yeah, just put that over there. Take this cover off. Pop the negative cable off. Let's put that back here. Okay, so this thing that your positive cable and all these other little connections are attached to comes off as one piece, and there's 2 clips. Yeah, right, like these guys. Just gotta pop them up with this flathead screwdriver. There's a 3rd clip right here too that I just discovered. And I'm gonna remove this other bar with that bolt. Then I'm gonna take the battery bolt off. Yeah, this is a little bit more involved than I think it should be.
Oh, could be right there.
Yeah, well, there's a whole other tray. Yeah, why? Why, GM? Why? At least you're not dead like this Ford though. Now the 3rd bar is out of the way. Helps to have a 2nd set of hands. And that same 13 mil. Flip your battery sideways and then kind of pop it up over the coolant reservoir. Yeah, you got fucking bare feet on here. Okay, you put the battery in sideways like this, kind of squish it past the reservoir there. Make sure negative's towards the cab.
Sucks.
Is that one tight?
Yeah.
That's probably good.
Yeah. Just go until it stops.
That's probably good.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Oh, that's way better. Oh, I didn't even forget much. Okay, I got the date wrong. And I don't really listen to the radio. Oh, nice. It even remembered the oil, the oil life. Sweet. Take that one back in for a few bucks. Got my next oil change ready.